welcome back. Today I got my Topbox in the mail, which means it is time for tea and Topbox. For those that don't know, Topbox is a Canadian monthly beauty subscription. It is $12 plus tax each month, and it is free shipping within Canada. At this point, it is only available in Canada. However, they sometimes have special boxes that they make available, at least to the United States. I'm not sure if it's international or not, but I do know some of the special boxes that they do are available in the States as well. Each month your box comes in a nice purple bubble like this. You can either opt for a cylinder tube, which is what they normally come in, or the eco-friendly version, which is an organza bag, which I believe is what I did this month. Yes, it doesn't feel like the tube, so I'm pretty sure it's the bag. This month I opted to get the Beauty Surprise. Occasionally they make these available. For an additional $10 you can add it to your order, and you don't know what it is. It's a surprise when you get your bag. So that is in here for me this month as well. But I'm just going to start off with the regular items first. So let's find here. So when I pull it out, this is what it looks like. This month it is a nice baby blue organza bag. It's very pretty. I like it. First thing in the bag is the card. This is in there every month. On the back we also have an advertisement of their Just Treats limited edition box. It is $26. You can go to their website if you'd like to order that. So let's pull the foil packet thingy out first. Ooh. The first thing we have here, it looks like a face mask, and it is the Rose All Day Rose Gold Peel Off Mask. And this particular one does have two in it. I actually really like this company, Maskeraide. They are a Canadian company, and they are one of my favorite companies when it comes to sheet masks. I really enjoy them, so I am happy to get this in my bag. Let's see. This big cylinder thing. Let's see what it says. Revlon Style Masters Modular Medium Hold Hairspray. Helps to preserve color. Okay, so I'm not super impressed to get a drugstore hairspray. So I'm assuming this is one that salons would use because it does say Revlon Pro. So if it was just a regular drugstore brand, I'd be like, why are you sending me this? But I mean, it helps preserve color. It's a hairspray. I don't use a ton of hairspray, but it is something that I will get use out of. Not super excited for this though. The next item here is by Joico, and it's a K-Pac Color Therapy Luster Lock Multi-Perfection Daily Shine and Protect Spray. Spray Brilliance, oh, that's French. So, Joico is a hair company, so this is for our hair as well, which, why are you giving me so many hair things? Apparently Topbox is trying to tell me something about my hair lately, which, yes, I know lately it's not the greatest condition. It was summertime, I've been swimming, lots of chlorine, didn't bother coloring it. We will get back into good hair game this fall. So I guess they're kind of hooking me up a little bit, but again, not super excited, but it is something I would use. Yeah, I don't usually use shine sprays. I'm more of a leave-in conditioner kind of person, but we'll see how it works. And the last item in the bag is by Laritzy Cosmetics, and it says it's a dew pot. Interesting. What is a dew pot? So it has this pretty shiny packaging. And this looks like it's a full-size item. Wonder Dew Pot. Does it say what to do with it? It gives me ingredients. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, that's great. What is a dew pot? I don't even have my phone here to look it up. Okay, well it's a cream, and it's like iridescent. So what's it do? Don't mind. Okay, it's iridescent, but what is it? Is it like a highlighter, or do you put it under your foundation? I need answers, Laritzy. I don't understand. This is what it looks like. Not sure if this is going to translate to the camera at all, but it's just white and like iridescent. It's not opaque or anything. It's kind of like sheer, but I don't know. What do I do with you? I will have to look it up, and I will insert something that will let you know what this is. So I'm intrigued by this, but I don't know if I'm excited about it. My skin is generally pretty normal. If anything, in the warmer months when I'm getting sweaty and whatnot, some of my oils come out a little bit more, but for the most part, it's pretty normal. I don't usually need to add any dew to it. So we will see. So far, we got 4 items in our box, and I'm happy about one of them. I'll use these. So is it worth $12 for me for the box? No, probably not. I mean, unless this is something fantastic that I can figure out how to use, I'm not sure. Because otherwise I might just give this away. I'm not sure. But I really like this. I love these. And I know like a regular mask is around $7, I think, for 1 pack. I think is so. I mean, it's about half this cost of the box. I got a hairspray which I'll use, and I will give this a try. Maybe it'll be really nice. I don't know. So not super excited. Not something that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna cancel or anything like that. I still enjoy getting it. It's the name of the game with these subscription boxes. Sometimes you get things you love. Sometimes you get things that you're like, what in the world is this? I really wish Topbox would include something on their card. I mean, they're printing this out anyway. I really wish they would include some kind of description on what some of these things are, because yeah, I don't know. Okay, now I did buy that beauty surprise, so hopefully it's not $10 wasted on this. The last couple times I've gotten it, it's been fine. I've enjoyed it. I got an eyeshadow palette once and I got a blush palette once, and I really enjoy both of those things. So surprise! What are you? OleHenriksen. Oh! Well, it's well worth the $10 I paid. I can tell you that much. And it is the Cold Purge Pore Mask. Deeply purifies pores and reduces oils with clay and snow lotus extract. I am really excited to give this a try just because I have had really good experiences with this brand in the past and the way it works with my skin and my skin type. And I know it is quite a pricey brand, so let's open this up. I'm just gonna rip the box. And it is a full-size item. It's just this green packaging here. It is a full-size item. It is 90 mils, and yeah, let's see. Does it have, it's got foil on it. Let's take the foil off. Let's see. Ooh. Do you have a smell? Ooh, you smell minty, and you're like a teal green. It's just fun to play. I am excited to have this box. I mean, it's not something like color makeup, like a blush or a palette, but you know what? I more than got my money out of it, and I like the brand. I know that this is worth more than $10, so I know I got my money's worth plus out of it. I'm sure it probably paid for my whole top box to make up for the rest of the suckiness of it this month. I will leave the total of this particular mask right here so that you guys know how much this particular item was. So I have to say the beauty surprise made up a lot for me. So between this and this, do I think I got my $22 worth? Absolutely, because that's what I would have paid for the box plus the beauty surprise. So yes, I did get my $22 worth. I will use these 2 items as well. As for this, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen to this. And that, everyone, was my September 2018 top box. Let me know if you get Topbox and if you got similar items or if you got completely different things. Let me know if you got the beauty surprise and what you think of it as well. If you would like more information on Topbox, I will leave a link to their website down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you all have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.